Hey, what's up, guys? Bobby K here, man, from Pip Syndicate. I just want to go over a trade we took this morning. Okay, I trade live on YouTube every day at 9 o'clock. And this morning, as soon as I came online, I saw a good gold setup. Now, you can see I have a session bias indicator. It says bearish now. This morning, it said bullish. Okay, so, it's evening now, so it switched over to bearish. But this morning, it was bullish. So I was looking at this. We came down. We pushed down the pre-market low. We came up here. We just broke structure. Okay, I had seen that we just broke structure. I entered around 9:15, so this is 9:12, and then I was waiting for it to pull back to this fair value gap right here. Okay, so we broke structure. I'm waiting for it to touch this fair value gap, and I'm going to enter a buy. And this is exactly what happened. Okay, you can see it tapped us in here, right? You can see very little drawdown, a couple of pips. It did come down to this demand zone. I don't think this was there at the time. They probably added it after. But we entered on the top of this fair value gap with very little drawdown. And it went directly to our TP pretty much. Let's see what happens. Okay, guys, I'm going to stall it for a second here. Just as I remember now, I did have a TP here at about 50 pips or 60 pips. I think it was 50. Guys, you could go on my channel and look at today's date. Today is 8/17, okay, 2026. I took this trade live. And if you want to watch the live replay of how I actually took the trade and what I was saying at the time, it's on the channel. This is just a quick recap. So this was about 50 pips. So I'm going to put it, it's like right here. Let me put a line there. I had a purple line there. I don't know what happened to it. Okay, it's right there. Now the stop loss wasn't here yet, guys. I always add that after I take profit. I put this TP here because it was right on top of the bodies of this candles here. Okay, that was TP1. Okay, I took a profit right there. And then I set my stop loss right here below this candle in profit. Let's see what happened there. Boom, it went right to TP, guys. Over 200 pips. It was like 205 pips. But this trade went a lot further. I closed the stream early. What I did was I said on the stream, I got my stop loss in profit. I set my TP. I announced the TP while we were online. Told everybody what my TP was. And I went about my day. And like 10 minutes later, it closed. I could have waited, but I didn't know it was going to do that. And as you could tell, if I had been live, I might have held. Because look, it went much higher, man. But I grabbed 200 pips out of it. I'm satisfied with that, man. But anyway, guys, that was today's trade, man. It was pretty cool, pretty awesome. We do this every day, guys. We got the highest win rate on YouTube. I challenge some of these gurus. They don't trade live, man. But anyway, guys, join us, man. Like, subscribe. We'll be here tomorrow, 9 a.m. I'll see you then, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great day on purpose. And God bless you guys, man. Cheers.